semis, and then we're going to have the college slam finals at 8 o'clock right here. But before we do that, we need to bring up the final poet in the Coaches Slam. Please give a lot of love, make a lot of noise for Missy Hughes!
I represent the team, Team Inglewood.
No, baby!
As my co-coach Dave said, he and his wife Stephanie are expecting a child. So we're all very excited. So this poem is for them, and my first epigraph actually comes from Dave. For some reason, I thought writing a poem to our unborn child would be too hard. What was I thinking? Dave Stieber. Baby, oh baby, the places you'll go, the worlds you will visit, the friends you will know. Dr. Seuss. Letter to baby Stieber. We all wait for you. Friends, family, students, your mom and dad wondering what your life will be. But you see, baby Steebs, I know your parents, especially your father, so well. So I have an idea about the places, the worlds, and the friends you will know. Your life will be sung, both lullaby and protest. Love, always a life of love. Your parents lived in France, loved Mexico, travel for engagement in life. They drink from cultures, making what's foreign known. And although they'll be scared at first, hesitant to let you go, they'll want you to do the same. Know we are all connected. Know the struggles of people in all places. Sometimes you'll be annoyed, irritated that they care, but you come from and of them. So, your first fist will be in your mouth, clenched because of biology. Next, ready for first fight. Then in the air to show solidarity and true might. So baby, oh baby, to the protest you'll go. Your understanding of the world will be bigger than most, because your parents will pick only the best teachers for you. You'll learn U.S. history from Zinn, English will be Baldwin, RBA, Smith, Civil Rights, Carmichael, Chavez, Davis, X. Ayers, Hampton, and Colville will teach you about life in the shack, along with their students from the South Side, who will also be your teachers about the beauty and complexity of being alive. Your first steps will be wondrous, protected by your parents' love. Your next steps might fall behind others. Then you'll begin to take steps on your own, examine how you walk in this world, and understand that it is not just for you, so you will walk with and for others. Baby, oh baby, the worlds you will visit, to make this one better for all of them you will know. You will call her Mama first. Mother, when she embarrasses you, or deep down you know she is right. Mom mostly. Beautiful, when you realize who your mom is. I called her Dave's wife first, friend after our own laughter and conversations. Beautiful, when I realized who your mom is. You will call him Dada first. Dave, when you're being a petulant teenager, Dad most of your life. Hero, when you realize who your dad is. I called him coworker first, friend after we started coaching poetry together, then brother after we lost our Travell, and your dad buried his own grief, covered my class, so I could live my own grief alone. Hero, when I realized who your dad is. Baby, oh baby, the parents and love you will know. Thank you.